What a mess! Heavy pouring outside. I'm completely drenched.
Yes, change your clothes, otherwise you will catch cold.
You are right. Where's your washroom?
Go inside, it is beside the kitchen.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, bro.
Sit.
What are you doing in this rainy weather?
Nothing. Would you prefer tea?
Just tea. Order biryani.
Okay, so let's call Papun.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Hello.
Would you like to come to my house? Posun and I are together now. Will you come?
Sorry, bro. I am not at home. Please don't mind.
Oh, it's okay. Posun, he will not come.
Shit. Let's talk about our study.
Okay, let me inform my mom to make tea.
And biryani.
It would be another day.
Okay.
Why you lie as you are in your home?
Oh, come on. I don't want to go there. Those two boys will always bore me.
But how? They are really good boys.
I admit, but you know, they are always talking about book and education. I just don't like it.
Oh, you don't like them because they are always discuss about studies.
Yes.
But you know that this is a good topic to discuss, and you know that group study is increase our knowledge level.
Now you don't study. Better you leave my home.
Okay, I am going. I have tuition.
Okay, go.
Will you go with me?
Where?
Sagar's house.
Why? Is there any party?
For group study.
What did you say? For group study?
Yes, absolutely group study.
No way, listen. When a few of friends are together at a place, there can't be a group study. There will always gossiping.
You are right. It may be helpful.
I don't think. So I will not go.
Okay then, I am going.
Okay, bye.
Bye.